Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI platform, which is Browse AI. So to get started, Browse AI in 2025 remain one of the easiest no-code tools for web scraping and data monitoring. With its point and click interface, you can train a bot in minutes to scrap pages, handle login, follow pagination, and even monitor changes automatically. It integrates smoothly with Google Sheets, Airtable, and Zipper, making it a strong choice for marketers, analytics, and small teams who want to automate data collection without writing a single line of code. On the downside, Browse AI used a credit-based pricing model that can get costly if you run heavy or frequent scraps. Some user reports slower support or billing issues. It also less flexible for very complex and large-scale scraping compared to developers-focused tools. And here's the final intake. Browse AI is worth it in 2025 if you want a beginner-friendly, reliable web automation tools. Just plan your credit usage and know its limit for advanced tasks. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.